As a salesperson, Jane is constantly on the move. For her upcoming meeting, she just received an email with the presentation handouts. Jane doesn't need to go back to her desk to print these documents. Instead, she heads to the nearest printer. Jane forwards the email to her company's central email address specifically created for mobile printing. YSoft SafeQ knows that Jane is the job owner, and when she authenticates at the printer, her job is waiting for her as if she had sent it from her desk computer. As the meeting draws to a close, Michael wants to capture the meeting notes along with the drawing. He uses his phone to take a picture of the whiteboard to print it out later. This helps him save time when sharing meeting notes with others. Using his iPhone, he can simply choose YSoft SafeQ as the printer under the Apple Print menu. To release his print job, he can also use the YSoft SafeQ mobile app. As Alice leaves the conference room, she wants to show Jane a graph of new houses built in the last month. Jane wants a printed copy of it. To print from her tablet, Alice opens the YSoft SafeQ user webpage, browses for the PDF, and selects Print. YSoft SafeQ enables mobile printing via email or a web page, making employees productive and supporting their use of mobile devices. Organizations are assured that mobile print activity is captured in YSoft SafeQ's reports. In her next meeting, a guest will be joining Jane and her colleagues. Simon needs to print out the meeting handouts. Normally, the guest would need to email the documents to someone at the company who would print them on their behalf. However, with YSoft SafeQ guest printing, work gets done faster. Jane instructs her guest to send the document as an attachment to the company's mobile print email address. He doesn't need to be on the company's Wi-Fi to do this. The mobile print email address replies with a guest PIN. Using this PIN, Simon can print his document at any printer. Later in the day, Jane is at her desk and receives a phone call from Peter. It seems that Peter just received a large order. He's on his way back and needs to print and discuss the order with the order processing team before they leave for the day. Using the wireless connection from a coffee shop, Peter is able to send the print job to Google Cloud Print, where his Google personal account includes a printer connected to the company's SafeQ. YSoft SafeQ is easily customized to integrate with Google Cloud Print. When he arrives at the office, he can immediately go to the nearest printer to retrieve his job. Employees are more mobile than ever. It's smart business to enable them to conduct business wherever they are. YSoft SafeQ makes mobile printing easy for employees and keeps them productive. For the enterprise, mobile printing is secure and accounted for in YSoft SafeQ Enterprise Print Management.